Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton is one of the songs guitar instructors love to teach because by the time you're done exploring the whole tune, you've really improved as a musician. So let's check out the top 5 skills you can learn from Wonderful Tonight. If you're watching this on YouTube, you're going to see a short version. For the complete version, check out my website, Songbike, down there, where you can become a member and access the rest of this video and tons of other great videos not available on YouTube. All right, let's get started. The first thing you notice when you analyze Wonderful Tonight is what a simple song it is. We're talking about only 4 chords: G, D, C, and E minor. For those of you who are aspiring songwriters, this just proves that sometimes keeping things simple is the way to go. Now you can see the chord progression on the screen there in front of you. For the most part, every chord lasts for 2 counts. I'm going to keep the strumming simple for a second, just to give you an idea of how the tune goes. It's late in the evening. Okay, nice basic strum. Don't worry, we'll talk more about the strumming in a minute. The one exception to the 2 beats per chord rule is right before each E minor, when you have a single G strum and a single D strum, and it sounds like this. Do I look alright? See that? A single G and a single D, and then the E minor. So anytime there's an E minor chord, it's preceded by 1 G and 1 D. Learning the signature riff from Wonderful Tonight can really help your lead guitar playing because it's a pretty simple riff, and yet Eric Clapton embellishes the notes in a way that I'll show you right now. So we have a 3-finger bend to start things off. I have my ring finger on the 2nd string, 10th fret, my middle finger and index right behind it on the same string. I'm going to bend and release it back to the resting position. Now I'm maintaining my pressure against the fretboard the whole time. Index finger, 8 on the 2nd string, back to 10 on the 2nd string. So we have, now we repeat that, but the final note is 9 on the 3rd string. Then, same as the first phrase, and we wrap it up with a pair of slides, sliding from 10 to 12 on the 2nd string, 12 to 13, and now we have a 1st string hammer-on. Index is at 10, but I'm going to hammer on at 12 with my ring finger, nice and firmly, and then back to 10 on the index to wrap it all up. Here it comes from the beginning, nice and slowly. Alright, YouTubers, I can't wait to show you more about Wonderful Tonight, including arpeggio picking and bass note runs and up the neck chords. A lot of great skills you can learn as you master this tune. To see the rest of this video, head on over to Songbike, where you can become a member and see a lot of great videos not available on YouTube. Alright, so I will see you over there at Songbike. Thanks for watching.